समारंभां नित्यानंदेश्वरी आदिशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I welcome all the Inner Awakening graduates, Sadashivoham participants, all the Sri Mahants, Mahants, Kotaris, Tanedars who are sitting with us all over the world for the living Sadashivoham process at this time through Nityananda TV and two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Today's living Sadashivoham process, I'll expand on oneness. See, for every power manifestation, we again and again repeat, bring oneness with Sadashiva, bring oneness with Swamiji. Oneness and manifest. What exactly is oneness with Swamiji? Listen. Let me explain precisely. This body is the door or window through which I communicate with you. My vision for humanity is me. When you feel one with that vision, you experience oneness. Understand? My hope for humanity is my responsibility. My vision for humanity is my integrity. My actions for humanity is my authenticity. And I am happening for humanity is my enriching. Understand? Oneness is a powerful experiential way of manifesting Sadashivatva, manifesting powers of Sadashiva, manifesting the ultimate state of Sadashiva, space of Sadashiva, powers of Sadashiva. Basically, agamas are vision for humanity from Sadashiva. I am the vision for the humanity. So anybody who is in love with my vision for humanity is in love with me, is in oneness with me. When my hope becomes your hope, my desires becomes your desires, my vision becomes your vision, my mission becomes your mission, my activities become your activities, you become me. Understand, when my love becomes your love, what I love becomes your love, what I visualize becomes your visualization, what I feel becomes your feeling, you become me. Basically, realizing how you know Sadashiva is not just the statue, deity we keep. This deity represents Sadashiva. Same way, this body represents me. I am not just this body. The deity represents Sadashiva to relate with you. This body represents me to relate with you. My vision for humanity is me. I want all of you to contemplate just on this few lines today. I don't want to give too many words, too many lines. Just these few lines I want to repeat. I want every one of you to contemplate on it. My vision is me. My vision for humanity is my integrity. My actions or my mission is my authenticity. My actions and mission for humanity is my authenticity. My hope for humanity is my responsibility. My happening for humanity is my enriching. I'll repeat. My vision for humanity is my integrity. My mission for humanity is my authenticity. My hope for humanity is my responsibility. My happening for humanity is my enriching. So when you are in love with my vision, you are in love with what I am really. You are in love with what I am really. Being in love with what I am really is what I mean by the word oneness. More and more your cognition, your depth, your heart, your being falls in love with my vision for humanity. My vision for humanity is very simple. I want all of you to be Sadashivas, that's all. Living the state, radiating the space, manifesting the powers of Sadashiva. When you fall in love with more and more with this vision, you are in oneness with Sadashiva more and more. This is what I mean by the word oneness with Swamiji or oneness with Sadashiva. Understand? For everything, oneness with Swamiji is what we call a sutra, formula to manifest any powers. Now, that formula I have decoded. I have decoded the formula, and when I am decoding the formula, you need to take little time to let this sink in your system. Sink in you. Not much words. I'll repeat. The essence of today's living Shuddhadvaita, living Sadashivoham process. I am my vision for humanity. My vision for humanity is my integrity. My mission for humanity is my authenticity. My hope for humanity is my responsibility. My happening for humanity is enriching. My happening for humanity is enriching. When you are in love with what I am, you are in oneness with what I am or who I am. Oneness with Swamiji means being in love, being one with what I am. So I have introduced what I am. Now, imbibing it, living it, loving it, becoming it is your freedom, your choice. This is what is oneness with Swamiji or oneness with Sadashiva. This will make you manifest all the powers. Contemplate on this. Do Jivartha Sadas on this. Today's essence of today's living Sadashivoham process My vision for humanity is me. My vision for humanity is my integrity. My mission for humanity is my authenticity. My hope for humanity is my responsibility. My enriching for humanity, my happening for humanity is my enriching. And fall in love with this, feel this, become this, experience oneness with this. You will manifest all the powers of Sadashiva. You will live the state of Sadashiva, radiate the space of Sadashiva, manifest all the powers of Sadashiva. I bless you all. This is the essence of today's living Sadashivoham process. And I wanted serious, sincere Jivartha Sadas on this subject. I wanted a Jivartha Sadas tsunami in the Facebook and in the internet and in the social media and YouTube. All Adinavasis at least make 3 videos on this subject with your experience of oneness. And I wanted a powerful, authentic, serious Jivartha Sadas in Facebook, YouTube, in all social media on this subject. Oneness with Swamiji, oneness with Sadashiva. So with this, I bless you all. I do not want to give much words. I want you to start contemplating, you to start living, you to start experiencing oneness with this. With this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhadvaita Saivam, Sadashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.